hopefully his and my picture too, looking off into the distance on the highway outside of Pittsburgh.
Wow.
That is, can you believe something that bizarre is going to take place?
That's amazing.
I know.
That is incredible.
So if you're driving and you see...
So with the help of all the trials we have done, we have done in vitro studies. So we have gene expression studies, we have proper clinical trials, and not only that, we have the case studies coming from the market. So
I just want to stop you there.
yeah.
So if I'm a student and I don't know what in vitro means, what exactly does that mean?
So in vitro and in vivo. So whatever is done, study inside the body, taking body as a tool, is called in vivo. Whatever you do in the lab, in the petri dish and in the columns and the reactors and all, is called in vitro.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our thing is that one Stemzyme treatment, irrespective of your chronological age, one Stemzyme treatment will gain your 3 years of biological age.
Yeah, we had to break it up into age groups.
Yeah.
Now, I suspect my age, I have 3.5, because I was interrupted by a Mediterranean cruise I was given for my birthday. And I tried to finish it on the cruise, but it just didn't happen.
So you aren't even compliant.